In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with WhatsApp. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right into it. We all know communication is key in today's fast-paced world, and WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging apps out there. By integrating WhatsApp with Zapier, you can automate tasks, send notifications, and streamline your workflow. Let's get started. First, you want to head over to the Zapier homepage. You can do this by typing in the URL or simply searching for Zapier in your web browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see your different options and settings. Next, look for the section called App Connections. It usually appears on the dashboard. Just click on that. This is where we can start creating the integration that will connect WhatsApp with your chosen apps. Now we're going to create a new connection. You should see a button that says Create Connection. Go ahead and click on that. This prompts Zapier to allow you to search for the app you'd like to connect, WhatsApp in this case. At this point, you should now enter WhatsApp into the search bar. You might see several options, but don't worry, we're looking specifically for WhatsApp notifications. Click on that to select it. After that, the next step is to enter your WhatsApp number. Be careful and make sure you format your number correctly based on your country code, because this is how Zapier will identify your account. Now you'll need to complete the verification process. Zapier will send you a one-time password or OTP to your WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp, find the message with the code, and enter that code back in Zapier to verify your account. And that's it. You've just integrated WhatsApp with Zapier. So simple, right? You can now start setting up automated workflows to send messages to WhatsApp directly from other software applications. For instance, you can automate notifications about new leads coming in from your website, reminders from your calendar, even alerts from your project management tools. Just imagine how much time you'll save by having all those updates sent directly to your phone in real time. If you want to take this integration further, you can explore different triggers and actions in Zapier to customize your workflow even more. Maybe you want a daily digest of important updates sent to you on WhatsApp. Zapier allows you to set that up neatly. Make sure you play around with the different functions and settings that Zapier offers as you get more comfortable with the integration. And if you run into any troubles or have questions, don't hesitate to check their extensive documentation or support forums. Thank you for tuning into this video on how to use Zapier with WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content that helps you optimize your digital workflow. Happy automating!